Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock specific apps or any app on your iPhone. So to do this, we want to use shortcuts. So this should already be on your iPhone. If it's not, just simply download it from the store. So if you want to block your Photos app or your mailing app or maybe your banking apps, well, we can do that with this. So just go to shortcuts on the bottom left, go to the plus icon, type in lock screen, go to lock screen on the top, go to done. Now go to automations once we have this set up, and you should be able to see it under shortcuts now, lock screen. Then go to the plus icon on the top right, go to apps, select app. Now we have to choose the app. It says Win app, so let's choose an app. So we can type in maybe Instagram or something like that. I don't think I have that on my iPhone anymore. Facebook or FaceTime. So just choose an application you want to go ahead and block. Let's do Photos, for example. That's a good one to lock. So here's Photos. Go to Done. So it says when Photos is opened, I'm going to run it immediately and then go to Next. And what action should I take now when it's opened? I want to go to My Shortcuts, Lock Screen. So it's going to lock the screen when Photos is opened. Okay, so I have all set up right here. I can go into it. It says Photos opened. It'll go to the lock screen. Perfect, makes sense. So let's go to Photos. And it should go to the lock screen now when I have this set up. So there it is. It's on the lock screen. Now I have to unlock it for me to use the Photos applications. So I have to do my Face ID or my password to unlock it. So I can go to passcode and type that in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.